Welcome everybody. We got an interesting concept to study today. This is called as the British Flag Theorem. So for this we would have to foremost have a circle. So let me draw the circle there. Okay, so you have a center there, and we got the following naming of the rectangle A, B, C, D. Now I'm going to take the center as the center of the circle O. Now from each of these corners of the rectangle, we will drop connectivity to the center. Okay, so let me have the connectivity from A. It goes all the way to the circumference, and then I will connect this by means of a black line. And similarly from D, we have a connectivity to the center, and similarly let me connect it with a black line. Okay, so for the other two lines, from C I have a hit, and then it's connected with a dark line, and similarly from B I have a hit and it's connected to the center with a black line. Okay, so this is how it looks, and we are going to take the coordinates for each of these. Okay, so this distance all the way up to the circumference to the edge, or I would say to the corner A, this is given as 5 units. This distance is given as 1 unit. This distance is given as 8 units. This distance is given as 10 units. Now what is the requirement? The requirement is to find the radius of the circle. Okay, that is the requirement. So clearly this distance is R, this distance is R, this distance is R, this distance is R. Now what is the formula for the British flag theorem? So the formula is as follows. So this point is O, this point is A. So it's going to be AO squared plus CO squared is equal to BO squared plus DO squared. So this is the formula. Okay, having given you the formula, if I were to write AO, it's going to be 5 positive R. So 5 positive R squared positive 8 positive CO is 8 positive R. 8 positive R squared is equal to BO 1 positive R squared plus DO 10 positive R squared. So we will have to expand and solve this. So 5 positive R squared, what is this? Is 5 squared plus 2 times 5 times R positive r squared. This is 25 positive 10r positive r squared. 8 positive r the whole squared is 8 squared positive 2 times 8 times r positive r squared, which is 64 positive 16r positive r squared. And 1 positive r the whole squared is 1 squared positive 2 times 1 times r positive r squared, which is 1 positive 2 times r positive r squared. 10 positive r the whole squared is 10 squared positive 2 times 10 times r positive r squared, which is 100 positive 20 r positive r squared. So we will have to add these two together. So 25 added with 64, that's 89. 16 added with 10r, that's 16r added with 10r is 26r. R squared added with r squared is 2r squared. This is equal to 100 plus 1 is 101. 2r plus 20r is 22r. R squared plus r squared is 2r squared. Now 2r squared on the left will get cancelled with 2r squared on the right. Now 26r, you push this, you get 26r negative 22r. 101 negative 89. So 101 negative 89, 9, 10, 11, that's 2 there, and we have borrowed there 1. So from 10, I take the 1 on that side, so it's going to be 9. From 9, I take away 1, or I would say I take away 8, I get 1. So this is 12r. I mean just 12. 26r negative 22r. So from 26 you take away 22, what do you get? You get 4. So 4 times r you get. So 4 times r is equal to 12. You divide by 4 both sides. So 4 divides is 3. So therefore r is equal to 3 units. So this is a lovely question. R is equal to 3 units. And this is the all important British Flag theorem. Okay, so that is the conclusion for this great theorem, and we move on to the next question.